Alright, what's up guys? So today we are going to put a muffler on Kyle's riced out Scion TC. He hit me up and he's like, dude, this thing sounds like crap. He just got this car like a month or two ago. So we're going to try to get a muffler on this thing and fix this sound because it's bad. It's real bad. We're going to do some sound clips for you guys. I think he's going to do a pull or something like that, and we'll see how it sounds before and after, but right now it just ain't it. So we're going to go back to the house after this, get the muffler fixed up, maybe do a couple other little things to it. So yeah, that's what we're going to do. Alright, so Kyle just did a couple test rips down the street, and as you guys could hear, that's just not it. So we're gonna go ahead and get that fixed up. But right now we're in the back outskirts of Bixby, Oklahoma. Alright, so yeah, we gotta get that fixed, huh, Kyle?
Oh yeah. A little too loud and ricey.
Yeah. Definitely a little too loud and definitely on the ricey side. So we gotta do something about that, dude. That's just not it, man. It's just not it.
It's too loud to daily drive.
Yeah. If it was like I don't know, not a Scion 4-cylinder, maybe it wouldn't be so bad, but
maybe if it was a race car, it wouldn't be so bad.
We gotta get you a race car. And I'm probably gonna put the front one on the. All right, let's lift it up, Kyle. Let's see what it looks like underneath here. See what we gotta cut off or whatever. This is the new bad boy right here, huh? This is that new quiet bad boy. That's all the same size. That's 3 inch. Yeah. Yeah, it looks like the same size.
Could put it right here.
Yeah, if it'll fit. We can either put it back there or we can put it right here. So
I think right here would be the best because there's the most support for it.
okay.
Because if we just put it like right here,
Yeah.
it has 2 hangers for it. And it has another hanger right here to support it. Because if we just do it back here, it's just going to be supported by this.
Right. Sometimes I hate wearing gloves.
Me too.
Alright, so basically what we are going to be doing is we're going to cut the exhaust on the inside of this line and on the inside of this line and try to get everything like lined up, and we're gonna tack the muffler in while it's in the car, and then we're gonna pull the whole exhaust off from those 2 bolts, and then the whole exhaust comes right off. Isn't that right, Jake?
Something like that. If I can get this blade in.
tacked up in place right now.
Now we'll do the hangers.
We gotta cut off the hangers off this piece right now, and then we can get those tacked up into place. And then we're gonna pull the whole exhaust off. And then
Just finish welding around it.
yeah, finish welding around it like Jack said. And then should be done. We'll get some sound tests and flybys again after the muffler's put on. Show you how nice this car can sound. Putting the hangers back on their hangers so we can find a place to tack them up onto the muffler.
Cool. That's it.
Sir, look at all those welds.
All done.
Magnaflow exhaust. Magnaflow muffler. Exhaust all welded up, put back together. Thank you, Jack. Guess time to put her on the ground and start her up.
Yeah, let's lower it, see what it sounds like. Alright guys, just got the exhaust welded on. This what is it, Magnaflow? Flowmaster?
Magnaflow performance exhaust.
So we just put a Magnaflow muffler on it. I welded it on for Kyle. Trying to make this thing sound less ricey, as I mentioned before. So we're about to do a first start. What do you think, Kyle?
I think she's gonna sound good.
You think so?
Yes, sir.
Is that better? Let's go take it on a test drive, see how it sounds.
Alrighty, let's do it.
Alright guys, so we made it back to our little test spot out here in Mexico. But got the muffler on, welded. I don't think it sounds any better. I think it's still a little ricey. But Kyle likes it, so we're gonna do a sound test, see if it sounds any different. Alright, so we just got back to the house, got everything wrapped up on Kyle's TC here. What do you guys think? Rice or nice? What do you think?
I think it's nice now.
Kyle thinks it's nice. But yeah, got everything wrapped up. I got some more practice on the welder, so that was nice. The next video I'm gonna make will probably be a build breakdown on my current sedan, so we can show you guys some behind the scenes footage on that. Anything else we need to talk about, Kyle?
Not for my car. Your car, there's a whole bunch of stuff that needs to be done with yours.
Yeah, way too much to be done with mine. And the new car as well.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. But alright, thanks for watching. That was it for Kyle's rice or nice Scion TC exhaust.